on fire, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Yep.
Let you continue in another car?
No, you gotta start. You gotta start with what you started with. I appreciate that for real about this. It's all good.
I'm sitting there. You know how to make it fast.
Couldn't get out of there fast enough.
Yeah, let's just get it. Let's get over the wall for now.
Hey, we did ask you to leave your tune-up in it.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. I'll figure out how to get it back.
I've got the golf cart, Ryan. Okay. You might be able to put it on the back.
Did everything I told
Mine Monday when mine caught on fire, but my fire went out. His fire just stayed lit. Mine, it cut the front way.
I don't know that I don't see the motors like the motor windowed or anything.
I'll go look at it. We'll go look at it.
Those things don't just blow like that. Something
Just did. What happened?
Mine was a secondary injector that fire, so it lean popped, and that's what exactly that sounded like too. Inside, so how Petty explained it to me was there's so much hot air going inside the intake, and it turned into like a turbulence inside. And sport plug, I bet you can pull the plug out. It's probably like an igniter. It's no different than a shirt cannon, and it ignited it and it fucking blew it out the top. Same thing happened to mine.
It was before the finish.
Mine was, I was still in it. I don't know.
down there back.
Oh, mine was in track.
You had to put a motor in it, wouldn't you, to fix that, or
Maybe not a motor, but
it blew up the firewall, it blew up the windshield, the front end's destroyed.
the wiring's gonna be fucked.
Okay. Alright.
I know about fires.
Okay, yeah, what? Yeah, no, yeah.
I can tell you, I know Monday it's going to be about 25 grand.
It would. We're gonna be able to get fixed through it. 3 weeks.
Alright, obviously they said Ryan started burning. I'm like, God, what the fuck?
I seen the smoke come barreling out.
I told Avi, I says, on fire, it's on fire.
It was on fire. It was on fire. We stopped at the
Yeah, it was on fire, 100%.
I mean, I'll leave those good questions here, but I just want to ask you, bad?
Great.
How bad's the car? How bad's the car?
What is wrong with you? Big charge of the lanes by 820 with your car.
Firewall's destroyed. The
With the
windshield
firewall, everything?
Yeah, it blew the, like, I guess the explosion pushed the firewall up or something. I don't know yet. I have no idea.
Probably the lead pop.
I don't know why. I mean, we ain't running any different than we have been. But That stupid first panel, I don't think even blew up.
I bet the first thing I would check when you get back is the injector. Let's see one of them not fire.
Guys, blower's about to blow up.
Blower's about to hit y'all.
Guys, watch out, blower.
See, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Jesus. God. I got a light. Give me a light. See how the bottles all fell? Yeah, sure. Hey, did you turn them air bottles off? He's fine. Let him breathe. Is it moving from the park? Yeah. Ryan, you want me to take it off? Yeah. I'll get it. Yeah, I'll get it. Swing neutral, I'm good. Here. Slowly. Ryan. Yep, nice and slow. Yes, he's gonna push me. Nice and easy. Come on.
It's off. Turn it on. We're good.
Man, that was a fucking big bomb. Holy moly.
Car's good. Car's not good. I'm great.
You okay, the fire went in the car?
Yeah. Went right through that. You didn't think so, but it blew the firewall. There's a panel that goes right here. It's gone, and all the fire was going in the car. I was like, what the fuck? I'm on with him. I was like, fire. And I'm locking the brakes up. I probably fluxed both the tires and shit.
That's all right.
At least you didn't get burned.
Yeah.
After that close call street racing, I was worried about it. Oh, that was crazy.
I know, dude. That was kaboom. It was
a
just
top
shot
fuel
parts
boom.
everywhere, and I was like, what just
We
happened?
saw them
Did it
fly
even
across
nose
the
over
track.
first?
No, man,
big
it was
boom?
it was full tilt bunny rabbit. Just boom in the middle of the pool. Just kaboom.
Hey, Hop, did you pull the one off of here or is it gone?
I don't know, bro.
Okay.
Well, don't just fuck one thing up either. It gets the windshield and all the firewall stuff.
You're okay, man. That thing could have got you. That fucking shield looked like it was blowed in here.
Let's go do what we gotta do, Ryan.
Okay.
So we can fucking
Thanks, guys. Appreciate y'all coming down.
Alright.
Check on us. Thank you.
stop closing people on the golf cart. No, a minute.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to scales.
Front end will be. Just throw it on there, fucking. I ain't ready to scale. Is that cool? Or do you just be on the car?
Oh, okay.
On the scale.
Yeah, it was.
No, we're good right now.
It was before the stripe, I think. It was like maybe
Yeah, we're good.
60 foot.
No, he's not on it.
Yeah. Alright, same.
Okay.
One round.
One round. Probably won't make the next one. Come on, Hobby.
Y'all pretty good, but man, I'm gonna go with no. I'm gonna go with no.
Yes, we got it.
Plus, I hate to see you win a race with my car before I do. No, I bet you would do it. If the car's back.
We there, man. Thanks, you guys. Thank you.
How's that? That's not what I thought. Look at this side.
Oh, yeah. dumping tonight?
Yeah, it's on fire, like big fire. I was like, hey, we got a big fire. What's up, everybody? We're hanging out here at Virginia Motorsports Park from the first official points race of the MPK season. Had a little mishap last night, and a lot of you guys are going, hey, you know, what happened? Are you okay? And I've gotten a bazillion text messages and messages online and DMs and everything else. First off, I want to say I'm totally fine. Don't have to scratch on me. I want to say thank you to the safety crew and everybody that's at VMP. Like, they were on point. I think so what happened, for you guys that don't know, is we had a backfire, blew the intake off the car, but I had a fire with it, so the car stayed on fire. So I got on the radio, told Javi, hey, I got a fire here, get somebody here. Within 16 seconds, the VMP crew was here, was on the racetrack for me, putting the fire out. So man, they're awesome here. They do their job really good. Tyler Crossnoe, I think, helps run this place, and I want to say he's the manager, and he does a good job. Everybody here did a good job. So first off, hats off to those guys for being good. As us racers, it's always good that we know that those guys are going to be there when we have problems, whether we get into a wreck or we get a fire or whatever the case is. So thanks to that. And for everybody that's asked me if I'm okay, I really appreciate it. I'm totally fine. There's not a scratch on me. Car's a different story. We tore it up pretty good. We had an intake. We had a backfire. It blew the intake up, but when it did, it just blew up the front end of the car, knocked the headlights out. You know, we burned up some injector wiring and stuff like that we got to fix. It's not terrible. I don't even think the motor's hurt, but it's a bunch of cosmetic damage. So we're gonna do our best to make it to Maple Grove. I'll be there one way or the other in something. Hopefully it'll be this. We'll see what happens here. I'm on my way to RK Racecraft right now to have those guys help me get the front end mounted and all that. And if I didn't learn anything on that, I'll tell you another thing that I've learned is, like, you fellow racers, put your visor down. This is the second close call that I've had in, I would say, 6 months, and I've come out with not a scratch and unscathed, but there may not be a third. You never know. And I forget to put my visor down, And we have an in-car video of this thing, which will drop eventually, of parts flying off and stuff hitting me in the head and pieces of firewall. As you can see, the firewall's gone right here. Piece of the firewall, that whole thing came in and hit me, but it hit me kind of in the chest and then bounced over. And you don't know that stuff happens so fast, you don't know any of it. Well, all it takes is something to be pointed the right direction to hit you in the face with your visor up. Put your visor down. I'm gonna try to be better. I've got to put my visor down. For you guys that are racing that haven't had a close call like this, put your visors down. But stay tuned, we're gonna drop videos and stuff of this. Again, thanks to everybody that's sent me well wishes. I appreciate it. I'm totally fine. Car's not, but we'll be back to hit Maple Grove.
Thank you, Ryan.
Yep.